Okay, so this is the result, and just follow me. So negative 240 to negative 170, negative 100. Just copy this for a minute. You can pause this video. Okay, so let me continue, and oh, I forgot to put in the Y position. Like, oh no. I'll make it 100, 30. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, that's nice. Let's try that. And yes. Okay, so I can go to the next level, but we don't have more levels. But I want to add some lava in the second level, like some lava from here. Like, oh no, should add lava right in these middles. Okay, that's a nice position. Okay, so to make lava, you can actually make a new block named draw lava from X. Input X1, Y, Y, add an input Y1, add a label to X, X2, Y, Y2. Run dot screen refresh. I'm bad at making levels. Okay, so I will draw lava. Like, I will draw the lava right in the third one. Okay, I'll put it there. So I want to make it right here. So let me drag this, put it right there. Okay, so we'll add an X, negative 160, Y, negative 140, to X, negative 160, Y, let's say negative 120. Okay, so let's test that. Oh, and I forgot to actually add a code for the draw lava. So define draw lava, we'll set pen color to the red color, we'll set pen size to 20, and the same thing, go to X, X1, Y1, pen down, pen up, and actually I'll put in a go to X, X2, Y2. Okay, easy. And yes, this is the lava we want, but I want to actually make it Y negative 140, negative 150. Okay, negative 150 works. Let's start, and we can jump over it. Maybe I'll put in negative 100, and that suits it. Very good. Okay, so and now I want to add a code for the falling. Pretty simple. Go to the tick. Okay, and we'll put in if Y position is less than negative 179, then we'll set exit to die. Okay, let's test that. Okay, and let's jump in, and we can't go back. That's what we want. Okay, and I just need to add the size of this. It's 26. Yeah, I'll just stick with this. Okay, and I will put in an ore there, ore touching color red. Okay, before we do that, I will put in here, if level equals 2, I'll put in a negative 215. Okay, just at the edge. Just that. Okay, so we have lava and doop. Okay, that's nice. And that is so cool. Okay, so we can go and go. And we'll add another level. Level 3. It's boring. Okay, so I will put it right here. There. So negative 215. Y like 180. Okay, so that's good. Now we will have to make another level. Okay, it's tiring to make levels. Okay. Oh, and yes. Okay, so let's make this level simple. Like, okay, so from negative 240 y, how much should it be? 130. Okay, and we'll put in a 130 x like from here. I don't want lava. I don't want lava in this level. Just to make it simple, so simple. To make it like simple enough to even make it 50. Oh, 0 y 130 0 y negative 170. Okay, this is interesting. So I'll put in here like 30 y 130 and x 30 y negative 170. I will draw a portal at okay, let's test it. Level and level 3. Okay, level 1, level 2, and oh, that is too close to each other. I want to make it sliding. Okay, so I'll put in level 3. I'll put in like 50. Like, that's nice. 50. We can slide down. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. And we'll draw the portal. Let's show it. And oh yes, 12. I'll put this one to a 30. Okay, and y, of course, negative 150. Okay, so let's test that officially. It should be done. Oh, that's a bad jump. Okay, oh, that's unexpected there. by like 25. Okay, by 25 is nice. And jump in, and that's nice. And we'll make a level 4. So we'll duplicate this, and we'll just put in a negative 150, x 150, y negative 30. Oh no, like 100. No, 0. Yeah, and 0. Okay. So if level is 4, set x to 0, set y to like 100. And we'll not draw a portal. Okay, so let's test it. Boom. And that is it, guys, and thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Let me play it. Peace.